Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. How are you today? I hope all of you in good condition and ready for today's lessons. Today we continue our lesson at Unit 8, Having Fun. Please open your textbook, page 51. Unit 8, Having Fun. Let's listen. Mari dengar. Okay. Number 1. What can you see in the picture? 2. Have you been to this place? And 3. What can you do there? Okay, boys and girls, what can you see in the picture? This is picture about fun fair. There are many attractions. This one, roller coaster. This big circle one is Ferris wheel. This one is carousel. And this one is counter ticket. Okay, let's look at number 2. Have you been to this place? Pernah tak murid-murid datang ke tempat macam ni? And number 3, what can you do there? Okay, apa yang murid-murid, apa yang boleh buat dekat sini? Turn at page 52. Let's talk. Jom cakap. Yi Jun and her father are at a fun fair. There are many attractions. Yi Jun dan ayahnya berada di fun fair. Di sana banyak tarikan. So this one is carousel. Carousel. The big ring is Ferris wheel. Big ring with a cabin. This one cabin. The big ring. This one is game booth. Yang ni carousel. Yang ni Ferris wheel, roda Ferris. Dulu pernah ada dekat Melaka. This one is game booth. Gerai permainan. Okay, maybe shooting game or dart game. Let's listen what Yi Jun talk to her father. 1. Let's ride the carousel. 2. Sure. After that, can we ride the Ferris wheel? 1. Let's ride the carousel. Mari menunggang carousel. This one carousel. The horse. This horse can move up and down. And the big circle is spinning. Sure. After that, can we ride the Ferris wheel? Ya, selepas itu boleh kita naik roda Ferris. Turn at page 53. Let's listen what this boy talk to his mother. 3. Mother, can I ride the roller coaster? 4. It's not safe for you. 5. Why, mother? 6. You are not tall enough. 3. Mother, can I ride the roller coaster? Ibu, boleh saya naik roller coaster? 4. It's not safe for you. Ia tidak selamat untuk kamu. Why, mother? Mengapa, ibu? You are not tall enough. Kamu tidak cukup tinggi. This one is roller coaster. It need a minimum requirement for height. This is ice cream cart. Trolley menjual ice cream. And the bottom is bumper car. Bam. Bumper car. Now turn at page 54. We look at safety rule at fun fair. Sekarang buka muka surat 54. Kita akan melihat peraturan keselamatan di funfair. 1. Queue for your turn. 1. Queue for your turn. 1. Berbaris menunggu giliran. 2. Buckle up during ride. 2. Buckle up during ride. 2. Pakaikan tali pinggang semasa menunggang. 3. No food or drink during ride. 3. No food or drink during ride. 3. Tidak boleh makan atau minum semasa menunggang. 4. Follow the height requirement. 4. Follow the height requirement. Ikut keperluan tinggi. 4. Follow the height requirement. 4. Follow the height requirement. Ikut keperluan tinggi. There are minimum height to play with some attraction. Example, roller coaster. There are minimum height requirement. Now, look at page 55. We look and read one by one about attraction can we write at funfair. Let's read. Jom baca. 1. This is a carousel. It spins on a round platform. The seat move up and down. 1. This is a carousel. Ini carousel. It spins on a round platform. Ia berpusing di atas platform berbentuk bulat. This one platform. This one platform. Round platform. Platform berbentuk bulat. The seat move up and down. Kerusi ataupun tempat duduk move up and down, bergerak atas dan bawah. The horses up and down, up and down, and the carousel is spin. Good. Now at number 2. This is a bumper car. Bumper car. This one bumper. The black color bumper. It moves using electricity. It is made to bump into other bumper cars. This is a bumper car. Ini kereta bumper. It moves using electricity. Ia bergerak menggunakan tenaga elektrik. It is made to bump into other bumper car. Ia dibuat untuk kita melanggar bumper kereta lain. Kita main langgar-langgar. Now at number 3. The big round here. This is a Ferris wheel. It has a big round rim. Passengers sit in the cabin. 3. This is a Ferris wheel. This one is, ini adalah roda Ferris besar ni. It has a big round rim. Rim besar, nampak besar ni rim dia. Passengers sit in the cabin. Penumpang duduk di dalam kabin. Penumpang duduk dalam kabin ni. The cabin yang bergantungan ni. And the last one, number 4. This is a roller coaster. It moves on rail. It has lap bar for safety. 4. This is a roller coaster. Ini roller coaster. This one, the yellow one. Is move on rail. Ia bergerak di atas landasan. This one landasan. The red one is landasan, macam kereta api, like a train. It has lap bar for safety. Dia mempunyai bar, palang keselamatan ada kat sini untuk keselamatan. It has lap bar for safety. Okay, that's all for today. I will give you a homework at WhatsApp group. You may do your homework at activity book for the unit 8. I hope you can meet again for the part 2 of this topic. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and goodbye. Okay, for the homework, please open your activity book. Turn at page 57. 58. Buka muka surat 58, buku aktiviti Unit 8, having fun. This activity, listen, number and match. Listen, number and match. I like to ride the carousel. Which one carousel? Just match. Use your pencil and ruler. Make one line the sentences with picture. I like to ride the Ferris wheel. Where is Ferris wheel? Which one Ferris wheel? The third one is I like to ride the roller coaster. Okay, which one roller coaster? And the last one is I like to ride the bumper car. Which one bumper car? Just matching. Just match sentences with the picture. And the second one is turn at page 59. The activity book. Read and tick. Baca dan tandakan. One, just tick. Which one is right for the picture? No food or drink during ride. Or queue for your turn. That's number 1. 2. Follow the high requirement. Or buckle up during ride. 3. Queue for your turn. Or buckle up during ride. And the last one is no food or drink during ride. Or follow the high requirement. You just tick. Okay, that's all for your homework. Do your homework at activity book. Okay. Hope you meet again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.